Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is Tobias AI Product Manager from Thinkcar, and with the development of AI technology, AI can also be applied to assisting in diagnostics. Therefore, this year, Thinkcar brings its new AI feature, the IPA, which is short for Intelligent Personal Assistant. It's an AI agent. The first part, it is necessary to introduce the basic info of IPA. We open it by clicking the robot. You would see the buttons on top of menu. First one, the menu. It is useful for new users, or when you forget how to use it. When you are tired of typing, you are suggested to use the mic, which could convert your speech to text. However, it's currently only support Chinese and English. For those who speak other languages, you could use the mic of Google Keyboard to finish the job. One last thing I need to highlight is that IPA understands common languages worldwide, no matter what languages you send. They follow your language at any time. Follow our previous AI introduction up to now. You must be more familiar with the IPA than beginning. It's time to dive into today's topic. IPA has 5 parts. There are navigation of diagnostic, fault code, troubleshooting, frequent asking questions, and smart setting and case reference. As like I said, IPA is an AI agent can realize your intentions from typing or clicking and finish your job at the end. Next, I will go through them one by one. Okay, let's start with the introduction of NOD. Navigation of diagnostic is also called NOD, which means it could navigate you to the diagnostic functions. It supports more than 65 functions from special function, active test, and the datastream reading. Now, I will give you an example on how to use, making sure that the OBD and the Wi-Fi are connected successfully. We open it by clicking the robot on the screen. Now you see that NOD's first feature on list. The NOD will navigate you to where you want. Let's try to make an intelligent diagnostic by IPA. Just click the button named Intelligent Diagnostic, and the system will scan your car and output the report automatically. And what you need to do is nothing. With the help of IPA and a high-speed scan function, from send the command to get the report, it takes less than 1 minute. As you can see, it is a quite convenient way to use tool for diagnostic with NOD. The NOD now supports more than 25 brands. More and more brands and models are coming up soon. Follow our previous AI introduction. We introduced troubleshooting feature to IPA. Up to now, more than 150,000 codes from 30 brands has been stored in AI knowledge base, which offers accurate and sufficient interpretations, including text and picture. Now you would be interested in how to use it. The access to it is various. First one, click the fault code troubleshooting button on IPA to input brand and code. After you finish, the details of code will show up in a new window. As you can see, in terms of content and pattern, it is so brilliant than any code interpretation you ever seen. Second one, after you scan your car, by clicking a button named AI Analyze, you will see quick access to all code interpretations on right of a device. Third one, now you could read interpretation of code on report page. Last one, just ask IPA what code you need help with by typing, and then leave response at order. But one tip is that the answer is generated by AI for reference only. That's all for today. Thank you. In addition to diagnostic and fault code, you might encounter some issue about product or service. Thus, FAQ is designed to answer your inquiry. Either choose to click question recommended on list, or you just need to ask IPA your question by typing. An FAQ is capable of handling questions, including pre-sales and after-sales, in case that you are not satisfied with answers. asking IPA to connect to a customer service representative directly would work for you too. For example, if the device cannot charge, we can ask IPA to handle it. Just send command to AI. You'll get answers in seconds.
If your THINKTOOL 399 device is not charging, please ensure that the charging cable is properly connected to both the device and the power source. If the issue persists, try using a different charging cable or power adapter. If the problem continues, it may be a hardware issue, and you should contact our customer support for further assistance.
Thinkcar AI has stored thousands of frequent asking questions in its database, and it's still updating to deliver a superior diagnostic experience for you. That's all for today. Thank you. Okay, let's talk about the smart setting of the IPA. When it comes to smart setting, it is similar to quick access to feature on your iPhone by asking Siri. IPA currently stores around 20 features on device for you by quick access, such as turn on, turn off Bluetooth, turn up, turn down volume or brightness. But we would like to highlight that IPA could realize the intentions instead of telling him exactly. Switch the dark mode to light mode. The room is dark.
It seems like you are mentioning that the room is dark. If you need assistance with adjusting the brightness of your THINKTOOL 399 device, you can go to the settings and increase the screen brightness. Would you like guidance on how to do that?
Yes, please.
Brightness adjusted to 64%.
The last but not the least, as for new user, we cannot master all about how to use it for diagnostic on various scenarios. So it is necessary to prepare related case references for you. It is pretty easy to call it. Just click the button named Case Reference. A full list of case reference would show up in a new window. What you need to do is just searching. One more tip, there are over 700 cases in database, and the number is increasing. For example, I want to search for a case study about the ECM online programming. It shows up in seconds. It gives you details, instructions of how to do it step by step. And of course, you can download it as well. That's all for today. Thank you.